Let's set up your UW Green Bay account. After entering the Microsoft Online Portal, you will need to consult your user ID. This is the email address that is provided to you in your admission letter. Please be sure to include the @uwgb.edu. You must also enter in the verification letters and numbers. If you cannot read the letters and numbers, you can select Reload, or you may use the audio option if needed as well. Why are you having trouble signing in is the next question you will see. Even if this is your first time and you are setting up your password, you will choose the option for I forgot my password. Next, you will be prompted with an alternate email. The alternate email on file for you in your student system will be the email address provided in your application. If you no longer have access to this email address, please contact us at the IT Help Desk, 920-465-2309. You will enter your verification code and move on to the next step, setting your new password. Please remember that UW Green Bay passwords require a number of criteria. Passwords must be a minimum of 14 characters. They must be a mix of upper and lowercase letters, as well as numbers and special characters. They must be changed every 180 days, for which you will be prompted, and they cannot exceed 49 characters and should not include any personally identifiable information, such as your first or last name. Select a password that will be memorable and meet these criteria. Confirm that password and select Finish. Your password has now been reset. Please be sure to remember your password for access to all of your UW Green Bay accounts, including your email, your student information system, and many other important next steps. If you have problems, questions, or issues as you reset or set up your password, please call the IT Help Desk.